Hey guys, Ron Lyons here with Tactical Redneck, and I've got something in this box. It's not been opened yet, and I thought we'd take a look at it together. It should be something from our shop online, from the Tactical Redneck shop. I just don't know what it is. It could be ball cap, t-shirts, hoodie, who knows? But we're going to take a look at it together. Whatever it is, I guarantee you it's awesome. So let's see. All right. Very, very, very cool. All right, it's already awesome stuff. We have the Tactical Redneck cap right here. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a good look at it. All right, you know, super, super awesome. That is incredible. So Tactical Redneck, embroidered right there on the front, camouflage, black mesh, super amazing. That is something that I'm going to wear probably every day. Let's see what else we got in here. Well, it looks like we have a t-shirt. Let's take a look at it. Yep, we have, okay, one of my favorite designs right there. It's the gorilla, Tactical Redneck with the gorilla, and yeah, he's got a little bang bang in his hand there. So that's super, super awesome. I'll wear that on some of the up and coming videos. All right, wow, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous shirt. All right, and then the last thing here, this is our Diversity Matters hoodie right here. And let me open this up and show you what it looks like. It's really awesome. You're gonna get a kick out of this. You know, we have to be politically correct, right? So down over there, I'll let you take a look at this. So it says Diversity Matters, and it's all different types of cartridges, from like a little 9mm all the way up to some rifle rounds. That is the kind of diversity we're talking about at Tactical Redneck. Anyways, guys, if you like these things, would like to order some of your own, go to tacticalredneck.com. This stuff helps us stay afloat, helps us keep doing what we're doing, bringing you all of the latest and greatest in tactical law enforcement, survival, and prepping. Anyways, guys, until the next video, stay safe and God bless.